Good morning. I just wanted to kind of come in and say hi and welcome you to my morning, and to all the non-believers that I wake up at 5 a.m. I just want to say check me out, and I wanted to share this out with you. So let's see. Okay. So check this out. This is the beautiful pink full moon, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And if you listen carefully, isn't that beautiful? So I'm gonna go and bathe in the full moon and then go in and get my morning started and get things done. So have an absolutely beautiful day, and maybe you'll get up at 5 a.m. tomorrow.